of Channel 7. Okay, lesson number 11, exercise. Perimeter and area exercise 11.2. Question number 3. Find the missing value. First, it is given in this box like this. Okay, serial number, base, height, area of parallelogram. A, then 20 centimeter is base. Your height is not given. 246 centimeter square. B is given. B is not given. Then height is given. 15 centimeter. 154.5 centimeter square. Area of parallelogram is given. Now C, again base is not given, that means you have to find. Height is 8.4 centimeter and 48.72 centimeter area of parallelogram. D, what is D? Base is given 15.6 centimeter. Height is not given here, as that means these things are not given, and 16.38 centimeter area is given. Here we have to find the missing value, such as here we have to find base is B1, height is A1. Now the first sum is like this. A, whose base is 20 centimeter, height is not given, in area. I am explaining here. See, A, base is given 20 centimeter, height is not given, area of parallelogram is L into B, L into H. Height means H and B means base. Base into height. Here N, whose area is 246 centimeter square. Base is given 20. Height is not given. 20 means 20 centimeter. 246. Therefore, H is equal to 246 upon 20 is in multiplication form. It will come as a denominator on the other side. 2 tens are 2 ones are 2 twos are 2 threes are. Therefore, H is 123 upon 10. That means 12.3 centimeter. So height of parallelogram is 12.3 centimeter. Okay, is it clear? Now B question, that is next question I am explaining. C, here B is not given, base is not given, height is given 15 centimeter, area of parallelogram is given, base is not given, H is given 15 centimeter, square. Base is not given. That means we have to find into 15, 154.5. Base is equal to 154.5. To remove the decimal, we will write 10 here, and this 15 is in multiplication form, so we will take it as a denominator on other side. Is that clear? Now we have to write the reverse form. Say 5 3s are 15, 4 is not going to 0, 5 9s are 45, 3 1s are 0s are, and 3 3s are. Okay, this is cut. That means 15 1s are 15, and this 15 103s are 1545, 1545. Therefore B is 103 upon this 10 is left. So base is 10.3. So base of parallelogram is 10.3 centimeter. Like this you can solve this sum. Next sum, I am explaining C. What is the C question? Base is not given, height is given 8.4, area of parallelogram is given 48.72. So I am just explaining here. Question number first, C. What we have to do? We have to use the standard formula. That's C. Base, height, area of parallelogram. Base into height. That means 48.72 centimeter. Base is not given, we have to find. Height is given 8.4 centimeter. So base is not given, we have to find. Yes, height is 8.4 centimeter. Is equal to 48.72 centimeter square. Therefore B is equal to 48.72, and to remove this 8.4 is in multiplication form with B. So the multiplication will become opposite of this. So multiplication of this will become division. 8.4 will become as a denominator on other side. To remove the decimal, there are two digits after decimal. So remove the decimal, we will write 100 as a denominator. It has one digit after decimal. So to remove this decimal, we will write denominator will go as a numerator. 0 0 cut. Now you have to cut 4 2s are 4 1s are 4 1s are 4 2s are 4 1s are 4 and 3 4 8 are 32 like this. Now 3 7s are 3 4s are 12. 1 is not going to 0. 3 4s are 12. 1 is not going to 3. So we will write 0 here, and 18. 3 6 are 18. 7 1s are 7. 7 5s are 35. 40 minus 35 is 5. 7 8s are 56. So base is 58 upon 10. That means 5.8 centimeter. Base is 5.8 centimeter. Like this you have to solve. Okay, standard formula of parallelogram is B into H. B is base and H is height. You have to put the value into the reduced form, and easily you will get the answer. Okay, last sum. Now student, last sum of question number 3 is homework for you. Now question number 4. Here base is here. We have to find the missing value here. First one. Okay, this A1. Here we have given serial number A, B and C. A1 base is given 15 cm. Height is not given, that we have to find. Area of triangle A is given 87 cm square. So we have to write base is given 15 cm. Height is not given. Area of triangle is half into H into B. Okay, half into H is not given, into B is given 15 centimeter is equal to area of triangle is given 87 centimeter square. Okay, we have to find H. That means H will be here. H into 15 is equal to 87. This 2 is in denominator, as it will go on the other side, it will multiply. Therefore becomes denominator. Okay, now we have to divide it by 3 5 are 50, 3 2 are 6, 3 9 are 27. As is 29 2 are 58 upon 5. If you divide this 58 by 5, 5 1 are 5, 0, 5 1 are 5, minus 3, decimal, 5 6 are 30. Okay, 0 0. So answer is 11.6 centimeter. Height of triangle is 11.6. We know that area of triangle is ABC. This is altitude AM and this is base. So half into AM into BC. Half into AM is A and BC is base. Like this we have to solve this sum. Next question. That is B. How to solve this B? I am explaining here. See. Base is not given. H is given 31.4 centimeter. Area of triangle is half into S into B is given, that is 125 centimeter square. So half into S into B is 1256. Half into H is given 31.4 into base is not given. Is equal to 1256. To remove the decimal we will write here. So we got this 2 and this given number, so we can got 2 ones are 2 ones are 2. Carry on 2 5 are 10, 2 7 are, that means 157 into B upon 10 is equal to 1256. B is there 1256 into 10 upon 157. Okay. Now 157 is 157 coming in any table? 5 plus 1 6 6 and 7 13. So it is not coming in 3's table. It is not coming in 9's table. Let us say 15 is coming in 7 or 7 2 are 14. That means 7 2 are 14. It is not coming in any table. So it's a prime number. So what you have to do? 157. We have to find the table. So 157, which is very smaller than we have to divide 1 2 5 6 by 157. So 157 2 7 are 14. 2 by the 10 11 and 2 1 3 157. 3 7 are 21. 3 5 are 3 7 are 21. 1 carry over 2 3 7 are 15 and 2 17. 3 1 are 3 and 4. It's not coming. Then we'll take the bigger number 157. 7 are 49. 7 by the 35 and 4 49. 7 plus 7 and 10. Still it is smaller than this number. So 157 8 are 8 7 are 56. 8 5 are 40 and 5 45. 8 1 are 8 and 12. That means it's coming in 8's table. 157 8 are. So 0 0 0 0. So 8 tens are 80 centimeter. So base is 80 centimeter. If big number is given, then you have to divide or multiply the big number, then you can find it easily. Okay. Third sum, that is C. 22 centimeter. H is not given. Area of triangle is half into H into B is equal to 170.5 centimeter square. Half into H is not given. B is given 22 is equal to 170.5. Okay, H we have to find. That means H into 22 is equal to 170.5 into 2 will go as a numerator because it is on the denominator side. On other side 170 to remove this decimal will write 11 1 11, 17 minus like this. If you don't follow properly, you can divide it by like this. 11 11 minus 6, 11 5 55, 60 minus 5 means 55 means 5. Bring this 5 here. 11 5 55, 0 0. That means 155. Now h is equal to 155 upon 10. H is equal to 15.5 centimeter. Like this we can solve by dividing the big numbers, okay, in rough or on the side of a paper. Is that clear? If you not follow, you can call us or give the message. We will explain you again. Now student, question number 5. If you will see this, PQRS is a parallelogram. PQRS is parallelogram, that means PQ is parallel to RS or SR. PS is parallel to QR. Two with vertex Q. Two altitudes are given. That means height are given. QM is perpendicular to SR. QM is perpendicular to SR or RS is same, and QN is perpendicular to PS. Two perpendiculars are given, where QM is 7.6 is given here, and SR is given this. SR whole is given 12. QM is 7.6. You are asked to find two things: area of PQRS and QN. If PS is 8, like this, let us see this first. Area of parallelogram PQRS is H into P. Here H, you can take two things. H, there are two H. This is H, QN is H, and QM is H. Where QM we are taking is 7.6, and base, that is SR or RS, is 12 centimeter. So H is QM into SR. QM is 7.6 into 12. If you multiply this 7.6 into 12, 2 6 are 12, 2 7 are 14 and 15, 1 6 are 6 and 1 7 are 2 11. 1 plus 1 2 and this 9. There is one decimal, so we will put here. So is equal to 91.2 centimeter square. This is the area of parallelogram. Say student, PQRS is parallelogram. QN and QM are perpendicular. QM is perpendicular to SR and QN is perpendicular to PS. QM is 7.6. QM is 7.6, and its base is SR is 12. So using these two, altitude and base, we can find the area of parallelogram PQRS. H into B, where H is QM, that is 7.6 centimeter. Base is SR, that is 12 centimeter. So QM into SR, 7.6 into 12, we get 91.2 centimeter. Now we have to find QN. This, if PS is 8, because it's the same parallelogram, its area is area of parallelogram. This is the symbol of parallelogram. Small box and here M. PQRS is 91.2 centimeter square. So area of parallelogram is H into D. Here H is QN, that we have to find. Base is PS, that is 8. Here its perimeter area is 91.2 centimeter. H is QN, that we are finding. Base is PS, 91.2 centimeter square. QN into value of PS is 8 is equal to 91.2 centimeter. QN is equal to 91.2 centimeter. To remove this decimal, we will write 10 and 8 is the multiplication form. It will come as a denominator. Let us see this. We will divide 91. 912 it has become now by 8. 8 ones are 8. 9 minus 8 means 1. Bring this one here. 8 ones are 8. 11 minus 8 means 3. Bring this 2 here. 8 fours are 30. 114 upon dash 10. This is point. So 11.4 is Qn. Qn is 11.4 centimeter. Like this you can solve. Now sixth question. What is sixth question? Let us see. Now see student, question number 6. Here ABCD is a parallelogram where DL is perpendicular to AB. DL is perpendicular to AB, that means DL is one altitude, and BM is perpendicular to AD. Area of parallelogram is ABCD is 1470 square is given. AB is 35 centimeter. AD is 49 centimeter. You are asked to find BM and DL. You have to find this BM and DL. We can use 6. What is given here? AB. That means this side is given. And AD. Where is AD? This side is also given 49. Here is also given. That means 35. So area of parallelogram ABCD is DL into, that means H into B. So H is DL and B is AB. Its area is 1470. DL is given here. DL is not given. We have to find. DL into AB is given. Where is AB? You can see 35 is equal to 1470. So DL is equal to 1470. 35 is in multiplication form. It is on the left hand side. You have to take this 35 on the other side. So multiply will become division as a denominator. 35 you have to write as a denominator. Okay. Now 35 is coming in 7 table. See, 7 5 are 35, 7 2 are 14, 7 1 are 7 and 0. That means 210 upon 5. So you can divide this 210 by 5 in rough paper or rough side or rough page. 5 rows are 20. If you subtract this 20 from 21, 21 minus 20 means 1. Bring this 0 here. 5 2s are 10. That means 42. 5 1s are 5. 42s are. Therefore, DL is 42 centimeter. We got this one altitude, that is DL. Now see, next part of this same question number 6. Area of parallelogram ABCD is 1470. Area of ABCD means area of parallelogram ABCD is BM into AD. Why BM? BM is one altitude and AD is base. The area of parallelogram, because it is same, so area will be same, 1470 centimeter square. BM is not given, so we have to write BM into AD, that is 49 is given, 1049. BM, again 49 is in multiplication form. On left hand side, we have to take this 49 on the other side, so multiply will become division. So 1470 upon 49. Stop. 7 7s are 49. 7 to the 14. 7 1s are 7 to the 7. 30s are. So BM is equal to 30 centimeter. Okay. This way you can solve this question. Student, if you have not followed, you can call us. We'll explain you. Okay.